All right, welcome to another screencast. This one we are going to talk about how to put a caption under our images and primarily to give credit to where we got the picture. Okay, we talked about Creative Commons in class. And so this is how we're going to give credit to the place we got the picture, and if we can find it, whose picture it is and what the license information is. So this first picture is this brown football here. And here's the HTML code for it. All right. So I'm going to click at the end of that line. I'm going to hit enter a couple times. And I'm going to go right underneath the image there and put a paragraph tag. Okay. And now I'm going to go to where I found that picture. Here's the picture that I had found. And under the picture, right here, it says Wikimedia Commons. All right. So that's where the picture is from. So I'm going to flip back to code.org and I'm going to type in image from Wikimedia Commons. Okay, and that's just what I had right here, Wikimedia Commons. All right, now I want to try to find out whose picture that is. It doesn't tell me here, so I'm going to click on the picture. So you will probably have to click on it to find out some more details. On this page, if I scroll down, every web page is going to be different. But this one usually listed under here, right here. So it says author, all right, and semantic. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'm going to copy and paste that name. Sometimes it's a username. So whatever shows up there, I'm going to put by and then paste that name in. And then I'm going to put a space, a dash, probably another space there would be good. And then go back to that picture and see if I can find the license information. So this one says this file is made available under Creative Commons CC0 public domain. So if you find any that say public domain, you can simply put public domain for the license information and then put a closing paragraph tag and you're good to go. All right. Now let's close out of there. And let's say, I don't know, let's say we're going to do this picture. All right. And if I click on it, let me just see what the license is. I'll show you the difference here. So this is a Creative Commons attribution. So if you see here, it just has the CC and it has the symbol of a person, which is the BY abbreviation. If you click on attribution here, it will tell you in parentheses right here, CCBY. And so that's what you would copy and paste for your license. You don't need the parentheses, any of this other stuff. You don't need the 4.0, just the CCBY. Let's try another one. I just want to see another example. If there's a different, okay, so here's another one. This is CC, this is BY, attribution, and then share alike. So if you click on attribution share alike, here's CCBY-SA is what you would put. All right. This football helmet is from a site called pixie.org. So for that one, if I scroll down, here's my helmet. Here's my HTML for the helmet. So I'm going to insert a line under that, put a paragraph tag, image from, what did I say? Pixie.org. That's another one that will come up. Pixie.org, right? And let's see, when I click on the picture. So this one sometimes has an author. Yeah, this one does. So if it has an author, list it. Sometimes there will not be an author for this site. All right, so you can just not put an author if it doesn't tell you. All right, so I'm going to copy that. So image from pixie.org by, and then paste that in. And then for the license for this one, again, it says public domain. So I can just put public domain. Then a closing paragraph tag. Do the license. This is the username, whatever it says up here. It could be kind of like a little business name, like this is Open Clip Art Vectors. It could be a person's name. For the license, you can just put Pixabay license for that one. Anything that's found on Pixabay. So if I click on Flickr, if you scroll down, let's see if it tells us. It's public domain is the license, and this would be the username, DoD News. Okay? So that is how you add a caption. I think I cut it off early there.